In this video, I will show you how to find your UID or use ID on Bitget. So let's jump straight into it. So because I'm in the UK, currently Bitget's not available in the UK. So although I can't show you physically what to do, what I have done is created this quick guide, and I'm just going to talk you through the steps on how to find your UID. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, go to the Bitget website and log in with your user credentials. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the account settings, which is typically found by clicking on your profile icon or the avatar in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, in the account settings or profile section, you should see your user ID displayed. It might be labeled as UID, use ID, or something similar to that. The exact location can vary, but is usually found near your account details. If alternatively you are looking to do this on the mobile Bitget app, then what you're going to want to do is launch the app on your mobile device. Again, enter your credentials to log in. And if you tap on your profile icon or the account tab, your user ID should be displayed in your account details section. Now, if you do encounter any difficulties finding your user ID, you can of course refer to Bitget's help or support section or reach out to their customer support for further assistance. So that is how to find your UID on Bitget. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.